I met a pastor, nagkukwentuhan kami. Then he said a prayer, then he told me, you know, Alan, God wants you to know that Duterte is not as good as how his supporters describe him to be. But he is also not as bad as how his detractors want him to be or describe him to be. The point is, Mr. President, we can go back and forth about history, but the wheels of justice is moving, whether here in the country or in the ICC. Having said that, I know three things. One, you are presumed innocent until you're proven guilty. And all human rights activists will say, yung tunay ha, hindi yung nagkukunwari na human rights activist. Ang sasabihin po, yung humanitarian treatment. Meron po kasing nagsasabing human rights activist pero siya, bakit siya? Hindi niya binigyan ng due process at pinatay niya. There are a lot of human rights activists we should and we can and we should pay tribute to. But my point is this, it is not against the tenets of human rights to allow any person, especially a former president of the country, to be under house arrest or to be under a country supervised under ICI, especially in the condition of President Duterte.